guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing guys how you can create this like awesome video animation like in thirds. You can do it in fourths and like fifths as well, but I'm just going to show you guys in thirds and like how to add it all together. Hope that makes sense. I'm just going to start the video with this one first, and I'm just going to put it to the left, make sure the subject is still seen. Then I'm just going to add this one. I'm going to then select the film strip one, and I'm just going to rotate it and adjust the size of the video. Then I'm going to add in this one as the last one. I'm just going to put it on the right. Then I'm just going to select the split one, kind of like move it here. And to add it one by one, you're just going to select this one first. Then you are going to go to animation, I think, and select in and select slide down. And then you're going to adjust the like duration as well. I think 0.5 is enough. And I'm going to then move the rest like this. On the second one, go to animation again and then select slide down. And then I'm going to move the other video to the right. Then I'm going to add in the slide down animation to that. And if the first one looks weird, that means you have to go to mask and split it this way so it doesn't look odd, I guess. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!